Want to learn how to live life on the road?
How about build your dream life in a tropical paradise? We're going to show you how.
We're Kristen and Siya, and this is our home, Luna. We're high school sweethearts who got married in a forest and spent the last 15 years traveling to over 70 countries. We've created hundreds of videos and articles showcasing destinations and experiences worldwide, while offering tips, hacks, and advice for traveling the world.
For the past 5 years, we've been traveling in our 1976 vintage Airstream, which we completely gutted and redesigned. And it's not just the two of us anymore. We have a 3-year-old daughter and pup too. So whoever told you a life of adventure stops after having a family obviously never learned how.
On this channel, we're giving you tips, tools, and advice for full-time RV and tiny house living as we travel across North America. The highlights, the struggles, the endless repairs, and balancing family life and work life on the road.
At the end of our road trip, we're going to ship our Airstream to Costa Rica. We bought land in an up-and-coming eco-community. Here, we'll be living in our Airstream on our land while helping build the community with hundreds of people from around the world. We're sharing the highs and the lows of living in 200 square feet full-time as a family and the process of moving our lives and our home on wheels to another country.
So if you're dreaming about RV living or building your dream house in a tropical paradise, subscribe to our channel and make sure to hit the notification bell and let us show you how.